So today, what I like to do when I first get a Jeep is just to grease it. This thing up top, not too bad, but it has had a power steering leak forever, and I don't think, yeah, there you go. You can see it's just slathered. But this is a 93 Cherokee. It apparently was a two-wheel drive that was then converted into a four-wheel drive. I think there's at least 3 or 4 different Jeeps all in one here that you're looking at. Nothing wrong with that. That's pretty normal. One of the bigger problems would be that there's no hinge on the bottom, but that's fine. So you see this door panel and you go, oh well, that's not bad. I'll put a picture right now of what that door panel looked like before. This interior is gross. That was just a little spot clean that I did yesterday, so I think it'll come clean. It's just covered in literal grease. Everything on this Jeep is just covered in grease and oil. But that's an old XJ for you. So I just figured I'd bring you guys along for a quick walk around. There's definitely some rust issues that will need addressed. It's got a Chrysler 8 1/4 in the rear and a Dana 30 up front, high pinion, that was swapped in. This engine's from a 94. They said the Jeep is a 93, but I'm gonna put you guys up on time lapse, show you how I take on such a filthy vehicle. It's gonna start right here, and all that I have in here is oil eater, just straight undiluted oil eater. I got it on Amazon. I'll put a link below. It actually works really well. It's clear, it's biodegradable, environmentally friendly, so that's all good. But here we go. Here's a time lapse. Here's a little after shot for you guys. You can see it definitely is not perfect, but it is a whole lot better. You know, I didn't put really any pressure in the hood here. I didn't feel like causing more work for myself by breaking stuff, but under here, huge difference. Like, look how clean all that steering and spring and stuff is now, you know. So I know a lot of you guys don't even bother cleaning these old things. I just think it makes life a whole lot easier when you go to work on the thing. I did drive this thing 2 hours home. It did run very good. I did get some death wobble on the way back because of a track bar issue, but I'm definitely going to fix that. But if you guys do like what you see and you want to see what happens with this Jeep, go ahead and subscribe. And when I get to 100 subscribers, I'll do a walk around of this Jeep.